Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner, and I am back at Lisa Horton Crafts because there was something cool, really cool, really cool that she had that I did not know was here when I was here the first time. So we're going to be demoing out some inks, and they are color changing inks. I don't think I've ever seen these anywhere. So she's right now getting all ready to show us how these things work, and you guys are going to be amazed.
So, I have some things to show you. If you don't know me, I'm Lisa from Lisa Horton Crafts, and I have a lovely brand in the UK which we sell embossing folders, stencils, dies, all sorts of things, but we've just moved into selling ink pads, and our ink pads are pretty amazing.
Different.
We do our blended ink pads, which are wonderful, but we now do our dye and pigment mix ink pads. Now you look at that and you go, oh, that's so pretty.
I thought ombre. I thought it was an ombre ink pad, and it's not.
It is absolutely is not. So if you look, we have a single coloured ink pad. Now it's it's kind of a foamy felt mix almost. It's spongy, but it is very, very juicy. Okay, so you can see it's absolutely gorgeous and it's highly pigmented. So what we're going to do is show you how this changes colour. This is magic.
This is magic, absolutely.
So these inks are blendable. These inks are water reactive. These inks, I've got a little bit of let me grab that off there. That's a little bit of a mark on there. They are interference. They work with water, so they do your faux bleaching techniques. You can do all sorts with them. So you can see that is such a beautiful colour, just like that. And that's going to dry down very, very shiny. So we can take this ink now and we can start moving the ink across. And as we move it across onto the black cards,
look at that.
My days. Can you see that?
That is magic.
So let me do something and let me just wiggle that ink.
Did you see this?
Wiggle that ink.
I'm asking if she saw that. Let me see if I can. Okay, if I move it, I'm looking and trying to get the lighting right.
If I do it this way, this is what helped before.
Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see this on the video or not, but the lighting makes it so the pink shows in the yellow. So you can tilt it and you're going to have that mica shine of a different color in your ink.
It's absolutely crazy.
I've already got some ideas of some cards that would be so cool with this.
Now think about my layering stencils. Think about what you could do just using your interference inks on black card. So what I'm going to do now is I want to swap the colours over, or if my brushes don't roll off the table. We're going to grab a blue. Look, wait till you see the blue. The blue is gorgeous. So this is going to be, because it's on the left hand side, it's going to be blue on white, it's going to be a greeny gold on black. So we lift this off, it's stunning. What I'd say is keep the same brushes, don't use these with your other blending inks, because what's going to happen is all your inks are going to be sparkly. Which is quite nice. You might want
but you don't always want to contaminate the other ink pads. You want everything to work the way it's supposed to.
Exactly. So watch this now. I hope you can get this. I really hope this comes through.
I can see the green, and on the ends, I'd say on the end of the swirl on my side, it looks a little bit goldish.
Yes.
Yeah, that's
exactly
the light is hitting it just right
exactly
for that.
The colour. Now the difference with these inks is if I now take this brush and I go back to the blue, it's dried. So you think, well, I can't do my blending.
It's quick drying. That's nice.
It is, but because they're water reactive, if I take the ink and I go back in, it reignites that colour. So it is blendable, totally blendable.
I'm trying to, from this angle, because when I looked down at the paper, I could really see the green, so I was like, I got to tilt the camera. Now can you guys see the green? You can also see the purple better from this angle, too.
Can you? I won't move it then, if you can see that perfectly.
Yeah, can see it now,
Should we show you one more colour? Because
sure,
there are
go
some
for it.
Absolutely awesome colours. Let me go with this. I love this colour. Oh no, let me find the one that's got purple in it. I get very excited.
Yes, she is just a little bit excited about these colors.
A little bit, just a little bit. This ink, can you see the mica on top of this ink pad?
Yeah, I can see a little bit of sparkle.
It's got a really, really, almost like a shimmer to it. Now this is going to be orange and a bluey purple. So let's pop this down here. So orange. It's a gorgeous orange, and you can see where it dries. So you pick up more ink and it blends. Now watch this. This is gorgeous. I hope you can pick the blue up. It's a bluey purple colour.
Okay, now I'm moving my camera so you can see it. I mean, yes, I can definitely get all that shine, and I've got the light just right on here. So it does have a lot to do with how the light is hitting it as to what you're going to see, guys. But this is fabulous.
Exactly.
And you can tell that it is this orangey pink color that turns into that awesome, awesome blue.
I've got one stunning colour, which I know
One
I'm
stunning?
very...
One stunning? What?
I just need
Okay,
to show
look
you...
at all of the pads she's got over there. She's got a ton. And she says she has one that is stunning.
Look.
Oh, look at that bright fuchsia.
See what I mean? This is a very pretty colour.
I think you showed me that one last night, yes. By the way, I saw this yesterday, but I didn't have my camera available to do it. I had already filled it up, so I had to come back today to look at that. But look how pretty that pink is.
It's a pretty, pretty pink.
That is
so
awesome.
You've got the pink, and then we'll pop that onto the... Let me see if you can get that beautiful colour. And can you see how wet the ink is, which means you can now do your heat embossing. It's going to be so cool for heat embossing. And this one, let me see
Imagine
if I
some
can,
clear powder over that.
and as that dries,
Oh yeah.
it's going to dry. It's very hard to see, isn't it? But is that picking that up on the
I'm
camera?
seeing some green. Is that the right color?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep. It will be, see, this is the ink pad. It's going to be the purple and the green. So as it
That is
dries,
fabulous.
it dries super, super sparkly.
But even on the part that is the white, you're going to still see, if you tilt it in the light just
Yes.
right, you're going to see the other color mixed
Does
in.
that help at all? Or-
But that is fabulous.
so look at these. So you're getting
I'm just
to-
saying that there's lots of ways you can use this. I
Two
mean,
for
the
one.
only thing I've seen do something similar has been some, not a lot of them, but a few different watercolors do something like this.
Yes, yes.
But I have never seen an ink pad that's been able to do this. This is
it's
fabulous.
Absolutely crazy.
And as soon as I know where it's going to be sold in the United States, you guys are going to know that because she's out of the UK. So for you guys that are in the UK, you know
Absolutely.
who to go to get these awesome inks.
You do.
Yeah, it's going to be fabulous.
There's a lot of stores carrying them or going to be carrying them in the US. So
Which means, guess who I'm going to be keeping in contact with? I'm going to be keeping in contact with Miss Lisa to find out where everybody can get their
I think
things.
we need to do something together as well. With ink
Okay,
pads
I
and
think that sounds good, and I think maybe she would want to come on a live stream with me.
Yes,
Yes.
100%.
So you guys are going to be seeing her on a live stream sometime in the next coming months. I got a lot of stuff to organize. Oh my God.
have.
But yes, we are so happy to meet you, Lisa. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
And I did
everybody.
another video, not sure if it's before this one or not, but she's also got this cool platform for her stencils and such. So you're going to be seeing that as well. So anyway, have a great day, guys. Bye, Lisa.